Hello everyone, welcome to Stamping with Ian. Thank you so much for joining me today. We've got a little project for you today. 4-pocket journal, kind of fold thing. I have to say, I have shamelessly nicked this from Scrimpingmommy. Wonderful crafter. I'll put a link down to her channel, her YouTube channel down below. Okay, so go and pay her a visit. This is basically any size paper within reason, no measuring, you know, just a bit of folding. And this is what you end up with. Now, I've used some coffee dyed paper for this one, which a friend gave me. Have I got something that I can slide in? There you go, a bit of cardstock. So basically, if you're putting this in a journal, I would glue these 3 sides down there, and that would give me a pocket at the top to slide in. I have a pocket there, and a pocket there. What do you reckon, eh? Pretty nifty, eh? This was done with a piece of A4. This was done with a piece of Stampin' Up! Designer series paper, which I cut down to, it was 12 inches, and I could cut it across to 8 inches. Okay, so a bit bigger than A4. This was a piece of A5, as you can see, which I've got the 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets. Okay, for something, you know, there's an ETC. Fits in nicely. And so what I've got here, just put these to one side. You could add things to this, of course. You know, you could put something over the top with some different DSP, or maybe a bit of a card for journaling on, or a photograph. You know, the world is your oyster. These, of course, you could stamp, sponge, of course, the edges, stamp something nice, maybe put some DSP on, maybe, I don't know. You know, you are the boss of your stamping plain bits of paper type thingy. So, to make this a bit longer video than what it would normally be, I've got 3 bits of cardstock here. Now I've got 2 bits of cardstock and a piece of coffee dyed paper. Okay, so I'll show you how to do this. I'll work slow. So I've got my paper this way around, and I'm going to fold it in half, like so. Okay, get it reasonably level. Doesn't have to be perfect, you know. These are handmade items, not machine made, you know. So, and just give it a bit of a rub, nice bit of a score. Okay, then you get your scissors. Got my Stampin' Up! Snips here. These are marvelous. These are like razor blades, although mine do need a bit of a clean. So that's on the list, and I've got some scissor sharpeners as well somewhere. So just go up the score line, like so, up to where they meet. Got that on the wonk. What am I like, eh? Now then, so we've got this. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to fold that piece over there. Then we're going to go from bottom to top, like so, and like that. And then give it a bit of a score. Slightly on the wonk, but doesn't really matter. So the first one, we're going to go level, make sure it's level, and goes down. Just fold it, and you can fold it in then, like so. Okay, oops. Then the next one, it's about a centimetre or so, a bit less maybe. Again, just fold it, and then put you back in shot. Oh dear. Not having a lot of luck here, am I? Right, let's do that a bit sharper. And then you get the idea, don't you? Of kind of what I'm up to. At level. Okay, and then once again, our third piece about the same distance. Make sure it's level, like so, like that, and then fold it in. You can also fold these the other way, of course, which is what I'm going to do with the next one, which is a piece of our lovely DSP. So once again, this is some pieces I had lying around. These are 6. This is a 6 by 6. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this way for this one. So like that, and then again like that. Okay, we're going to cut along the score line like so. Bingo. And then once again over like that. Okay, over and over. And then with this one, if you decide to have your flaps on the outside, got that, there we go. And one more. Isn't that pretty? And there you go. And then once again you can glue the 3 edges and you've got your pockets like that. We'll do another one, but this time we're going to do it this way round. This way around, sorry. So halfway and then halfway. Okay. We're going to cut up the score line. Okay. And this time, no, I was right the first time. Right, that way. Upwards from the bottom and up that way. And then you get the pattern, you get the other pattern then, like so. Got that, eh? Isn't that lovely? And there we go. So there we go. We've got 2 3x3 ones there. Then we've got a 3x4, which is those 2, and then the bigger ones 5 3/4 by 4 1/8. So I hope you've enjoyed this. There we go. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Whatever you're doing today, have a lovely time, and I will see you soon. Bye now.